Welcome back to SOS. I'm BA.
Sippy.
What was that? It's like a dolphin joke.
Yeah, it's like.
All right. We've got two bags over here. One's a 2-person kit and one's a 4-person kit. They're for a 72 hour survival period. Now, with everything going on, I mean, we never know when some other country's going to come along and paratroop a bunch of machine gun mounted attack dogs, robot attack dogs with machine guns. One day you're going to be shopping at Walmart and a bunch of machine gun toting robot dogs are just going to land on top of your car and everyone's just going to be running for their lives. And then the sky is going to be filled with drones. Hopefully this is all before the big EMP. You know, solar storm. There's so much stuff that's out there that everyone panics about and freaks out. And they start buying a bunch of stuff. So I like to show you things before you get something that's garbage. And you go, why in the heck did I order this? So I've got a couple of kits over here that don't suck. The first one I want to tackle, this is a 4-person. Altogether, this is a 6-person. So if you're in the market for one of these, My Family First or First My Family, when you go and you look, it's First My Family. That's right. .com. They have a website and they're also on Amazon. I'm going to put the link to both in the drop down. This would be like if you ordered, like if you have a big family and you just want to get a 72-hour kit for 6 people. That's what this would be, is 6 people. So this would probably go, I believe this goes with this. I may be wrong, but I think I'm right. So I think this goes with this. But we're going to knock out the 2-person kit first. Then we'll slide the 4-person kit to the side, and then we'll get through that. So we're just going to go ahead and start going through this stuff and showing you kind of what's inside of it. So if you want something that's not just a bunch of garbage shovels that bend and fold and crap, this would be the kind of kit you would go for. A very more useful flashlight.
It floats.
Yeah. It floats. That's so cool.
Interesting.
That isn't interesting. It has a hanger on the back of it too. That's cool. And then you have, these are cool because they have, I'm going to show this once because I see another one over there. I'm not going to bother opening another one if you.
You got one in here.
And there's one in there. So
open.
I'm sorry.
No.
So this has, right here you have a small ferro rod on the side so you can strike. You've got a compass.
And there goes your compass.
There goes the compass. That's why I have an assistant. And you have a whistle.
You got some super glue?
Is it broke?
Oh, you done broke it.
Oh, I shattered it? Okay. We'll show it. It's got to be shown.
Can't take you anywhere, can it?
If it breaks, you have to show that I broke it.
Oh, no, it's just the mirror that was in here.
Oh, it has a mirror?
Yeah.
Oh, well, those always fall out. Come on now. I didn't break it. I just put the mirror back in there. No big deal. See, done.
Hey, you know, it's
I don't want to take all day talking about a compass. And then someone says, what in the world? You got man gloves. So you got like durable gloves. You got food blocks. This is rations. These are K rations. Can you see? Let's see how many calories. 200 calories. 12 servings in containers. Whoa. That's a lot of food. And you get, there's another one. That's a lot of food. I've eaten those before and they taste like sugar bricks. It's like a big thing of sugar. The things are on the back. You reading the other part of it? You've got water. It's that really good stuff too. It's got, I'm sure it's got all the electrolytes and stuff in it too. Energy consumption. Here, while you're reading that, you can read the water to them too. Made in America. You got more water. So with 2 of these, you're going to get 2 waters. Put this off just so you got this guy here. Let's see what's inside this. Let's check our first aid kit. It's just water. It has electrolytes in it too. I
Yeah.
believe.
They just give their emergency consult here.
Here. First aid kit. We can probably do the reading portion of this.
I'm sure it's just Band-Aids and insect bite relief.
It's trapped. It's taped. Ow. Why is it taped? This is taped. I can't open it. They taped the carabiner.
Here, you want me to get you a knife?
Oh, gosh. No. Ah.
There's some axes
I
right here
got
on the
it.
wall.
Oh, I got it. Why in the heck would I want to chop it with an axe?
Because it's
You
fun.
are just insane.
Yeah.
We had a whole bunch of basic stuff,
Told you.
pretty much.
It's really
I mean, I would
fun.
add some stuff to that, but that is a really nice case. And
Yeah.
it's got the snaps on the back. You mount it or something.
Plenty
and
of
it-
room, Dad.
Pretty much all the details of what's inside of it. It's a basic first aid kit, but that's a really good first aid kit. What else is on here? Because there's something in here. That's not it, and this goes with it. So we got glow stick, emergency blanket, space blanket, another space blanket.
Base blanket for two.
We got some mask in case it's
Cuddle with each
in case
other.
the volcano erupted
I'm
and
all about the cuddles.
Dante's Peak or something.
VA's not a big cuddler.
Got
though.
another glow stick. You could a couple of people can have some. These are actually the decent sized, the actual ponchos.
see.
Remember how? No, don't.
Give it.
You are gonna
You're
ruin.
just throwing it anyway.
No, because they're not the cheap chintzy ones.
I just want to feel.
I'm making sure Sippy's not ripping my packages all to
Yes.
pieces.
No,
over
I
here.
was just saying this is not the stuff that's going to tear easy.
There's your hand warmers in
I like
case
to
you
put
need
my
hand
hands
warmers.
on stuff.
You get a couple of those. They're the same ones they sell at Walmart. I mean, basically. I mean, they're like $1 a piece or something. All right, what do we got here? We got some kind of multi-tool. So, out of all this, well, that's kind of neat. It's a little survival knife kind of
Your
thing.
Swiss Army knife.
Yeah, Swiss Army knife. It's got
There you
all your
go.
basic tools and stuff. Oh, that's scissors. That's scissors. Yep, it's got scissors. Can opener. I mean, it's not obviously made by these Victorinox or anything, but it'll do the trick. You got a toothpick. You got your tweezers. Yep. There's that. That's it for that. What's inside here? Let's move this other way. So that's just the bag. I'll have to have an intermission here in a minute. You got more glow sticks? You got another one of these things? It's 2 people. This is a
Yes.
2-person kit, so you got to have 2 of these.
Except you get to share the cup, which is a little romantic in my opinion. Unless you're saving the other kit for maybe your parents.
They're making sure you've got plenty of gauze. So I would take this and put it in your other first aid kit. But I'm assuming they're making sure that each person has the right amount of supplies. More gauze. I will get this out of here. It's another blanket. That space blanket's really in there. And then when you're done, you're left with a really cool Nalgene water bottle. Or maybe it's a knockoff Nalgene. No, it's a Nalgene. That's an actual Nalgene water bottle. I'll be dang. You would get a Nalgene water bottle with that. Isn't that neat? So that's that one. Intermission. Hit this. Okay, intermission's over. Let's see what's inside this one. Now you get a water bottle here. This is a 4-person. I don't have the tag here, but I am assuming this is the 4-person. You get a water bottle there. I wonder if it's got like 4 water bottles or something. Is there anything in the side pouch? It's a decent bag. Look and see. I don't think there's anything. Oh, that's already open. No, there's nothing in there. Let's just go straight for the middle. I don't like taking too long. So as before, holy cow, that is a lot of food and water. As before, now this is a different kit. It looks like it's a large. This is the large, so it does have.
How many pieces?
It's well, it doesn't give this 85 pieces. How
Yeah,
much?
80, the other one was 54, I believe.
Yeah, the other one was 54. So this one is an 85 piece. Should I open it? Just open it anyway.
Go for it.
Since it is bigger, people probably want to see the difference. I don't know. I like knowing what I'm getting before I go getting something. It's like, for a lot of you out there, you probably, if someone's out there and they're like, it's like, hey, you know, it's probably time. I got it already, but no, I got those are axes for throwing. That's a throwing
I'll throw it
hatchet.
onto the tape and cut it.
You're nuts. That's for throwing. There's a little bit more stuff in there. You can kind of tell the difference. I mean,
You got
it's
gauze pads.
all the basics that we normally show on the channel. Each one of the little medical kits, and there's probably going to be some other stuff in some of the other ones. You get this light again. That's a really cool flashlight, by the way. I'd like to have one of these just kind of chilling up at the house. And that's a very interesting setup. So it opens. Huh. Okay. You probably chunk something in there too. So I wonder what those side tabs were. That's cool. You just push the button. Okay, I'm done playing with that. Man gloves. Alright, now we're to the food. Let's do the water this time. Same water. Jeez Louise. And the expiration would be 9/20/27. I'm sure that would last a lot longer than that. If it's anything beyond 5 years or nearing 5 years, it's hard to put an expiration date. It really doesn't expire. You get 2, 3, 4, hence 4 person. All right. 1 of these in a food block. 2, 3,
4.
4.
1, 2, 3,
Hence
4.
4
1,
person.
2,
All
3, 4.
all made in America. All this made in America stuff, so it's not a bunch of cheap hot garbage. So that's one thing that I like about it, is that you're not seeing a lot of that stuff. You get another one of these guys. Fill these up with some waterproof matches. That's what I would do. It's the only thing I could see myself adding to this. You're talking about this is just standard survival, 72 hours. Lots of glow sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people.
I feel like I'm on Sesame Street or something.
Ponchos. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I
4
got
people.
4 ponchos.
And you get 1, 2, 3, 4 space blankets. Heat pads. 1, 2. These are hot hands, basically. You got 4.
You don't have to put them on your hands. You put them under your armpits, your groin area, your neck.
What about your shoes? You can warm your shoes up. Your feet?
No.
Wait, my feet get cold.
That's fine.
Mask.
It's not a central location for heat.
Yeah, I guess you're just gonna have to fight to the death over the knife, because there's only one in each one of these kits. So 2 person, you get 1 knife. 6 person, you get 1 knife.
4 person.
Yeah, 4 person, you get 1 knife. But there's 2 knives for the 6 person kit. So I guess they're assuming there's only 2 adults. The rest are kids. All right, so there's your knife. Like a while ago, I don't feel or see anything else in here, so I'm gonna say that's it. But you got a much. If that water bottle, maybe this was placed in the wrong spot, I would be assuming that this water bottle here would be in the 2 person kit, and that Nalgene bottle would be in the 4 person kit. But they're water bottles. Just go buy some water bottles. But the one thing that we always complain about here on the channel that the bags don't come with, it's just the basic stuff. Food, water, like none of the kits, like they're full on expert survival kits that I've seen here on the channel that I bring. I mean, they're a laughing stock because they don't have like water or a way to make water. There's not even a water filter most of the time. So it was just really good to see. This is a genuine, true, real deal 72-hour kit that would keep you nice and happy for 72 hours while you wait it out. But that's all I got. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And go check out the links. Be in the drop down. God bless. Take care.
Stay sane.